guys, welcome back to another video with Coco Cabana. I am here today to discuss some savings goals. I thought I would be here. I had pre-recorded my April budget, but I am probably going to go back and revisit that to see if I need to make any changes. So right now, the reason why I'm here is I need to think about certain goals that I have for the year. And I think we did write some of these in here. So let's go ahead and take a look. We had some ideas about paying off certain things. So I'm going to mark PayPal off as we have completed that. I do have the $150 I need to pay for the walking pad. But for now, I'm just going to mark that off. Anniversary is done. And this is not going to be a bonus. All right. So really right now we are in April, and I know you guys can't see this, but we are in April, and March we paid off the PayPal. So we're in quarter 2. We are not going to be able to start this Christmas savings yet. We are going to be working on this basically household sinking fund. We have some amounts here of some things, but I really want to just kind of write this out and give myself an idea. Did I put house repairs? I put $500, and that was for the AC, but let's go through and see what's going on. So this weekend we had our Friday. Yeah, so Friday night, Saturday, we had our hot water heater go out. There's a problem with our water heater. My husband went to go see about relighting it, and the knob is gone. So we had a technician come out, and they quoted us $32. So quote, I can't even spell today, was $3,200 for a whole new water heater. And what was the name of it? Can't even think. It was like the Toyota of water heaters. But basically when I looked online, the actual water heater was like about $1,000 or a little bit more. And the one we have is like $700. Gosh, I wish I would have wrote that down too before I came on video. But anyway, so when they were leaving, because my husband was just like, that's just way too much. They said until Monday, they will hold a price of $2,600. I checked with one of my friends that had hers done in 2022. She said she paid $2,200. So given prices have gone up, it's possible that we are looking at our best price for a complete reinstall. Ours is about 6 years old, the guy said. But really, you got the water heater, and then there's like this control panel on the front with the dial to relight it, and like a couple lights or whatever. This is the thing that we need to repair. Like, as far as we know, there's nothing wrong with this. We just don't have the knob to redo this. My husband did see that these are actually at some hardware stores. So we're trying to get a hold of somebody on Monday to see if it's possible, because the guy we were talking to, he was saying to order the part, it would take about a week or so. So we have no hot water right now. But if they can get it locally at one of these stores and it be the right one, maybe we could get it done sooner. And my husband's hoping for cheaper. I don't know. But I did sit down. Although we don't have an actual amount right now, we do have a guesstimate here of what it would be to replace the entire thing, right? So I wanted to go over some of these expenses that we do know about. And that is, let's see, 8/27. So January of 24, we called about our furnace, and we had no heat at the time. There was some water buildup. The drain line was plugged. He actually blew into the drain line, and it blew out the issue. He said it could be a cobweb, it could have been a bug, whatever. They charge us $69 for diagnostics, $27.50 for labor, $96.50 subtotal. It came to $101 for that 15-minute visit. In 2020, they came out for a tune-up. That was $89.20. 2024, in August, we had a frozen coil that was for our AC. They replaced the drain line. They charged with Freon and added the die pack to try to find where the problem was. So the Freon costed $78.75. The die pack was $69. 5 feet of the drain hose was $5. Total parts was $152.75. Total labor $137.50. All in all, it came to $304.76 for that visit, and it was about a 45-minute visit. Then they came again, same day in the afternoon, after the coil drained. We ended up paying another $106.58. And then we ended up replacing our furnace in December. So December of 24, we replaced our furnace. The total cost for doing that was $4,152. And we are currently working to fast track paying this off. The way I had calculated it over the period of time, we are zero interest until July of 26, but I put June to just make sure we had it paid off, in time. And we currently owe $3,417, and we're currently paying $245 a month. So I'm trying to figure out, I don't even know if I'm going to write it in here, to be honest. I have this notebook that I bought, and it's kind of like for brain dumping. Brain dumping, throughout the day, something I can carry with me, thoughts. But also, I do want to put some of these things in, so I'm going to recopy this over. My thought is we're going to have them come out again for replacement, or for fixing on this AC. So I'm trying to determine how much money I need to have for them for the AC. And then also we want to keep track of what we're doing with this water heater and what that's going to cost us as well. So let's just look at And then also I want to put in here like my car information, when I last serviced it, you know, when I had the brakes and the, so maybe I'll put this here. So Ice Cube, I had brakes done, I had battery. I want to put how much I paid, and then also the date. I want to do our brakes on Ice Cube, how much I paid, and the date. To keep track of the the service history. Let's get into our, we'll make this one for the house. We'll start with the, we'll just put house repairs, because I need to focus on a home repair sinking fund to help offset some of these costs. So we will put our water heater, and we will put quote, today is, let's see, today, I didn't even get none of my walking steps in, guys. Today is 4/6, so Saturday 4/5/25, and this was this company quote, $3,200, whoops, $100, and then until Monday, or because my husband decided to wait until, so they will hold this price for us until, or through Monday, I guess. And that's for the complete replacement. Okay, so we have that. So we'll deal with the water heater here. My next thing is going to be our furnace. And we will just go ahead and I'll throw this in here. But we are going to sit down and figure out. So we did 304 for that. 304.76 plus 106.58 that day, because they had to come twice. So 411, and then yeah. So I think I probably need maybe like $600. But even just having $1,000 in this fund would be nice. So I'm going to save this, but yes, so I'm going to use this as a binder to help me track my funds as well as cost. And then it's brain dump for me. Like if I want to journal, I can throw it in my purse, and it's going to last me quite a while. Okay, and then also too, like if I find things that I want to write down throughout the day, I do have my little notebook in my purse, but also this will be helpful. So that is what's going on in my life right now, guys. I was sitting here and I was thinking, I'm gonna put this away for right now. I do want to sit down and write out a meal plan. It may take me a while, so I might sit down and do that part off camera. I don't know where I put the little, I thought I printed it off, but I think I waited because there's like kind of some calendars in here, so maybe that's what I'll do. Let's go ahead and get to the back here. I haven't updated since March. Oh, we did get April. So we did set up a rocking bed. So we did do that. Plan goals. I did do that. I did do that. I do want to walk today. Yesterday I took a cold shower and it like, my hair is like long and it's curly and it really sucked trying to, I had to take the shower head off of the shower and like kind of like hang my head to the side and just let the water like get into my hair because it was so cold. So here's our April. Okay. This is a different calendar here. But this is kind of crazy because I don't have I know what's going on here is because I printed off this beginning part. So it's kind of awkward. But we might just use all this today, guys. Not today, but just in general to try to get us on track. Oh, we got a page here. So, all right. I do want to try to figure out food though, and I think I printed off the calendar for that. I didn't want to make this about a planner video. What I want to do real quick is go through this binder that I had allocated for the bills, and then I can go through this and get it set up for the week. All right, so let's set this to the side for a second. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's get our notebook. Let's see what we have in the actual sinking fund for home right now. Home and grocery, those are going to be big ones. So house repairs, we have this $1,000 challenge in here. So right now we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35. I think what I'm going to do, I want to set this to the side. I think what I'm going to do, guys, is I do want to use this challenge, but because of this binder, the debt binder, instead of doing this 50 envelope right now, I think I'm going to just allocate this to my sinking fund for house repairs. So that's what we're going to do. And we'll come back to this at a different date when we're able to work on, I'll save that, work on a debt binder. And we can use this for house repairs, but right now I just want to like hyper focus just on this. And then we still have our other things that we're doing, our other sinking funds with the kids and our month ahead. So let's see out of this money what we can mark off. So these are in 20, 30, 38, 40. I think 40 is the highest. So let's go ahead and let's see. I'll try to find a marker that we haven't used. So we'll put 40 in. And then we have 20, 30, 5, and 9. So we have 39. So we'll put that in. Take this out so I can get it all organized. 10, 5, 20s, and singles. Okay. Just gonna stuff it right here. Okay, now let's see, we got 10, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so there are 30s. And the reason I had thought about doing it like this and not working on a debt binder right now is because I'm working on my debt within my budget. So I don't really need to have savings challenges for my debt because I'm already doing it within my budget. I'm budgeting in my debt. What I do need to focus on are my sinking funds and building an emergency fund. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 30. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 40. Seen another 40 down here. So let's just make sure what we got. We should have 40. 5, 10, 15. See, 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 40. Something smells. I don't know if it's this marker. Yeah, it's this marker. It's like super strong. Holy crap. Alright. Talking about making you a little loopy here. Alright, so we got our 5s. And then the singles. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I do have some money here. So let's see. Put this in here. And these 5s. Let's see what we got. We got 10 there. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we have a 39? I see 38. Let's try that. Alright, so we should have 38 here. Let's just double check. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I say 28? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And I marked off 38, 28. Ah, dang it. So this one I need to take off. It's 28. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. See if there's a 30. Was that 30 or was that 38? That's why I like these light colored ones, so you can see. 30. Let me, hang on guys, 1 second. All right guys, I'm back. Let's probably make a mess here. Let's see. Yeah, I crossed off 38. Okay. Had to go get some hand sanitizer. Alright. Alright, let's get this together. So, I have... We could do 32. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And then We'll do 32, 2 more. So that'll be this one up here. Okay, and then we have this dollar. All right, so let's put this money in here. So yeah, guys, right now I'm just trying to work on creating this to have some money. We're going to always need money in this fund. I mean, I think that's just going to be inevitable because, I don't know. I asked my friend because she had done her sump pump. She had to do her water heater. She just ended up doing her roof, which was, they were quoting $10,000. She got it for $7,000 through somebody else. I mean, it's just crazy. It's a lot. So let's see what we have total here. Today is, like I said, 4/6. And this was from debt consolidation. So we're going to see what we got. We have 20, 40, 60. 70, 60, stop counting it like that, 10, 20, 30, 40, let's put it down this way, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let me just double check one. 20. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right now we have 205, which helps, guys, because like I said, 2600, you know, 205 of that bring us to $23.95. I mean, anything. Not saying that that's the route we're gonna go, but 205, if them coming out was 400 to work on the AC, we'd have half of it. You know, it is what it is. So I need to figure out something for these bills. I don't think I have any large bills anywhere. These singles are gonna drive me crazy. But all right. Maybe this week, I don't know if I have any cash stuffing. I need to look. But even if it's for my grocery money or something, I could swap it out and use the singles at the grocery store. All right, so we have that. Oh, forgot to put the challenge in there. So that's what $1,000 looks like, guys. We're just going to really work on this. And we need to work on it a few times to get money for that, as well as and this is unexpected. This is my decision pending. I have the little urgent unexpected, and that's 500 we have in here. And maybe I just add this in here and make it 600. So we will just put this $1 that we have in here. And we have 2 challenges then that we can work on. $100 is nice. Here's the 500. You do have some larger amounts, you know, into the tens. Trying to see. I don't think there's 120. But everything else is going to be under 20. And then this is really nice, $100. Nothing more than, I think, 6. So this really makes it doable as well. Okay, so we're going to put that in there. And I will save this because I'm sure we are going to need it for something. And I wonder what, oh, this is 1,000. So this could also be where I could stash away 20, 20, 20. That's a good idea. So what are my goals right now? I'm thinking. So we need, furnace, water heater. These are under our household. So we need house repairs and we need emergency. And I put that under unexpected. But we can also use our this one to 1,000. That would help as well. We just need to save. These are our major categories, and then back to school, that one I was trying to help on, and then Christmas. And we wrote down our car maintenance. So I think I need a hyper focus and label these. And I think right now these are going to be this one and this one is going to be our big like that. And then we'll go into these two. We'll do it like that. So we have 205. And this one I was going to use for holidays, like little things like maybe like the 4th of July or, you know, anything like that. Hospital stays, we only got 39 bucks in there. This one now has 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. Or 6. We have 25 in there. I think this is only 39. We might as well check. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. 41. So 4, 6. We have 41. All right, so we have 25 in here. This one I have not counted. Let's see what we have. I don't know why I got it in the front like that. 5, 10, 15, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31. So we have 31 in our grocery. I'll just write count 31. 205 for the house repairs. I really don't like how this is stretching it out. I don't think I have any big bills anywhere, but maybe I should put this in here. So otherwise I think it's gonna, yeah, see how bad it stretched it. Let's see. Oh. I don't think I have any change anywhere. Let me see. I don't think I have any in here. I do 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See what else I can get some change. What is this? I don't put too many singles in this one either. This is the littles. But I could change them to where they have. It's fine. It's only $5. Let's see. This one is our month ahead. And I don't think we have any big bills. Let's see. Oh, we do. 20, 40. Let's see if I get 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's put this back. So this should be 40. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Going in here. Well, this one's going to get overly big again, but it's okay. Alright, let's put these in here. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 205, What? Hang on. Let me make sure my water has 145 in here because I think I messed up some money. The water is done. Let's see. 20, 40, 65, 75, 80. 80. 145 minus 80. 65 should be in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 65. Okay, so that's right. Alright, so let's make sure that I counted this right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 20, 40, 60, 81, 225. Why does this not seem right? Why do I have 225? I guess it is 225, guys. Okay. So 225 it is. Going towards whatever for the house. Hopefully we could just save it and not have to put it towards the goal, but we will need to save to put towards this AC. So depending on how much this water heater costs, we might have to use a card because we're not prepared for this. So that's where I am right now. I have a whole bunch of change here for the kids. That we will be stuffing for them. And then I also want to go back and review my budget that I started. So that's what I'm going to work on next and see if there's some money that I can slide into one of these goals. It's going to be tight right now because I do have a water bill, and then I was going to pay off that walking pad in my Amazon. So although I bought this notebook from Amazon, so that's a whole nother story. But yeah, I was thinking today too that I think I want to close my Amazon account because it's just too easy to just buy because it's there. You have a card with them, whatever. So I think I'm going to close that account because I don't really want to have to pay the yearly fee this fall. So yeah, that's where I am. But wanted to give you guys that update, and we are out here trying to figure out what we're going to do with this furnace come tomorrow. All right, guys, hope you guys are having a better weekend than I am. Talk to you soon.